Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. We hope you guys had a great holiday. The holidays are over. It's time to get back to work. So, as promised, we are here with the roof cutting off video of the 78 Trans Am. Couple videos back, well, I'll put links up here of previous videos, we talked about going and buying this donor car. We actually bought a donor Camaro with Fisher T-tops so that we could cut the roof off of the 78 Trans Am project that we have here at the shop that had aftermarket T-tops. So we are going to put essentially a factory roof on the car, which it should have had from the get-go. So it's a pretty interesting process. We got a ton of footage of it, and here we go.
Sweet redemption, I will never let you down. Will it ever get sunny? Oh, I wonder, honey, baby, how you make me sway. You say you will, I'm calling your addictive brand. You say you will, yeah, I'm crossing the obsessive line. You say you will, I'm calling your addictive brand. And my safe protection, I will always be around. Will it ever get sunny? Oh, I wonder, honey, I'm tired of being in the line.
Okay, so the plan is to pick it up from the back and pull it out. We have to pull it out and like,
I don't know how to do that.
well, I know. We're learning here today. It's okay, I have that problem. But
Meanwhile, Stacey's behind the camera.
Stacie, we throw you our love. Alright, so pick up the back. And it'll go your way. I'm glad it wasn't attached because I was kind of gambling that it might still be.
Look at it.
Oh, we got wiring?
Yeah.
Okay, set it. I set my side down just a little bit. Forgot. I just ripped the other car's wiring out.
Let's not do that on this one. Oh, yeah, another go. This is some metal oil control though, right?
Oh man, this wiring's gonna suck to have to run through this thing again. Whatever. I hear we have a wiring guy now though.
I think that's a day by day.
We'll be here tomorrow.
Here's not working.
What do you do?
You need a pick. I need a pick.
Yeah. Like a long one or a short one?
Short one would be fine. I got the thing wedged in there.
Straight?
Straight would work. Or any other one at this point. Screwdriver.
Hammer? Air hammer?
Air hammer would
Wire cutters.
I was gonna say wire cutters if.
You're just trying to take the dome light off? There you go.
Yeah, I forgot.
Did you get the Phillips off? The 2 Phillips screws? Alright, is it ready?
Yeah.
Alright, take two.
Take two. Coming up and off.
Take
Going your
two.
way, Boston.
Up and off. You got that, Kyle?
What's that?
Well,
That's it.
it's convertible.
Oh yeah, for sure.
All right, y'all, that's it for this week. We are gonna be, I always say this, we're always gonna be changing things up a little bit. We are gonna change our video recording style a little bit. I'm gonna get a better camera. I'm tired of the GoPro-ness. They make me mad and I wanna throw them all the time. So I'm getting a better camera and I'm gonna start getting some like actual like working footage of these guys working on these cars. So definitely stay tuned. 2022 I think is going to bring a lot to our YouTube channel. Make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, and ring the little bells so that you get notified of our latest videos. And as always, Sundays at 8:30. And thanks for watching.